Thank you for tuning into New in AI. Today we're diving into the Microsoft Surface Pro 11, a tablet that promises to be a game changer. Stick around to find out why this might be the upgrade you've been waiting for. So, what makes the Surface Pro 11 so special? Let's kick things off with the most exciting part, the processor. The Surface Pro 11 is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon X chips, moving away from the traditional Intel and AMD processors. This leap to ARM-based processors brings massive improvements in efficiency and performance. Imagine your laptop running as smoothly as your smartphone. But there's more. The Snapdragon X Elite chip in the high-end models offers a performance that rivals top Intel chips and even Apple's M3. However, does this mean it's perfect for everyone? Well, not quite. Some software and accessory compatibility issues still linger. Ever struggled with an app not running on your device? Let us know in the comments. Externally, the Surface Pro 11 sticks to the winning formula of its predecessors. You get the same excellent kickstand, quality aluminum frame, and great speakers. But the star of the show? The new 13-inch OLED screen on the high-end model. It's one of the best screens you'll find on a laptop or tablet, perfect for watching HDR movies. Now let's talk numbers. The Surface Pro 11 starts at £1,049, but that's for the base model with an LCD screen and Snapdragon X Plus chip. Want the high-end OLED model with the Snapdragon X Elite chip? That'll set you back £1,549. And don't forget the keyboard, an essential add-on. The cheapest one is £140, but the new Flex keyboard costs a whopping £340. Without the keyboard, the Surface Pro 11 works fine as a tablet, but it's not as touch-friendly as an iPad. The Flex keyboard, which works via Bluetooth even when detached, is great for flexibility, but comes at a high price. Here's where things get a bit tricky. While many apps are updated to run on ARM systems, some still rely on translation, making them slower. Google Drive, for instance, doesn't run on the Surface Pro 11 at all. This could be a deal breaker for some users. Have you faced similar issues with software compatibility? Share your experiences below. The Surface Pro 11 also comes with Microsoft's new AI tools exclusive to Copilot Plus PCs. Features like Co-Creator and Paint can turn your crude sketches into impressive artwork. However, these AI features still have room for improvement. In terms of sustainability, the Surface Pro 11 is quite repairable, with a removable SSD and a service guide available. It also includes 72% recycled materials, which is a nice touch for the eco-conscious. So, is the Surface Pro 11 worth it? If you're using updated apps and accessories, this could be a fantastic device for you. But if you rely on older software or need more battery life, you might want to think twice. At the end of the day, it's all about finding the right fit for your needs. Thanks for tuning in. What do you think about the Surface Pro 11? Are you excited about the switch to ARM-based processors? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, stay curious, stay tech-savvy, and see you in the next video. We love you.